Today's video is a short and sweet one. Right now I'm looking at a bunch of clay that was left out, so it's really hard and it's too hard for us to sculpt with. But that doesn't mean we have to throw it away. Hard clay is great for carving, and using this ribbon carving tool, I'm going to chip away at the different layers of the clay until it's a shape that I like. So here's the piece that I'm going to be using. You can see it's got a lot of cracks in it. That's okay. We're going to just work with it and see what shape emerges. I'm going to scrape it with this ribbon tool, and that's going to make little shavings kind of like sawdust, so it's really important that I do it on top of some kind of tray. Alright, so I see that there's a little dip in the bottom, in the side, and I'm just kind of following the natural shapes that are already part of this clay and just kind of accentuating them to see what comes out. Don't really know what this is going to be, just kind of having fun. This is a meditative sort of chill exercise to do. It's a really fun sensation, this scraping. I really like the noise of it. I like the way it feels in my hand. You can use this tool a couple different ways. Before I was using the flat side, now I'm going to use the pointed side of the ribbon just to scrape along the surface. And actually, I've decided what I'm going to do is just make a hole all the way through so the air can pass through. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. And now I'm going to turn it around, and to me this side kind of looked like a head and shoulders. So that's what I'm working on. You can see the chin there, and I'm kind of carving down the surface of the neck. There we go. It's a little uneven, so I'm gonna see if I can even up the neckline on that side, and then I'm gonna do the identical thing to the other side. Yeah, there we go. So again, I'm using the flat side of the ribbon tool. It's really good for scraping. I don't want to press too hard because this is kind of fragile. It's brittle and it could break if I really dig in too hard or try stabbing it like a knife. So I'm just kind of using it to scrape the edges. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some grooves where the eye sockets would be. I'm going to leave this face pretty minimal, I think. Yeah, so we got 2 eye sockets there using the sharp point of the ribbon tool. I'm going to bring it closer so you can see. Kind of looks like Batman or Spider-Man or somebody with a mask. Alright, I'm going to use the flat side just to hollow out that area underneath the nose. And I think that's about all the detail I want. I could do lips, but I kind of like the way that looks. Yeah. So there you have it. Don't throw away your old clay. You can always carve it and make something cool.